Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are fine and healthy. Here we will start a new topic, that is Standard 8 History, Chapter number 2, Europe and India. During the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact on India. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. Period of Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. In the history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century CE, is known as the Age of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement had geographical discoveries laid the foundation of modern era. Hence, this period is also known as Age of Renaissance. During this period, in the fields of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition, which gave momentum to an overall development. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given great impetus. Humanitarianism means humanism. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given. There was a change in the outlook of treating each other as a human being. Instead of religion, man became center point of all the ideologies. Ideologies, a system of ideal and ideas. Our next topic, that is Leonardo da Vinci. He is recognized as an overall round personality. The period of Renaissance. He was well versed in different branches of science and art. He was also mastered in sculpture, architecture, mathematics, engineering, music, astronomy. But he became world renowned, that is famous as a painter. His paintings of Mona Lisa and The Last Supper became immortal. So here students, we have stopped this and will continue